Good morning, friends. This is the new setup I have made for you because today is the third day of my home quarantine. So I thought that I should be presentable so that you will feel the difference. And me, every day I am changing my dress so that there is a little difference you may feel. So after publishing my videos, I got so many comments. So I am really thankful to all those who have reviewed and gave your comments. So I am here to share my experience today after getting the comments. So I have taken prepared the breakfast today. This is the tomato soup, warm, apples contain vitamin C, and a cake, vegetarian cake. So this is my breakfast. So I'll be taking after making this video. I'm looking good with this dress. Uh, Actually, my friend says, why you have not taken a makeup before coming to the camera. So he was joking. I told, see, first day when I got positive, corona positive, there are so many thoughts come to my mind. That time I was having fever, 99.5 fever. Then cough is there. Continuously there is a chest pain. There are some negative thought come because see, at this age I have some responsibility and I have to discharge that responsibility properly. I am not living for myself, I am living for somebody else too. So when I will be getting a news that yes, you got corona positive every day, morning to evening, news channel saying that this much is the death, this is the death, this is the death. So comes to my mind, yes, after 10-15 days, I will be alive or I have dead. So that negative thought comes which stolen my smile from my face that day, and that day I was not feeling very good when I have shooted my first video. So anyway, you have seen it, and within 1 hour the uh, views are so many views. So really I got positive energy. Next, one of my friend asked me where I stay. Actually, I am from Bhubaneswar, so it's a rented house. I have taken for short duration. It's a small house actually, and I have to pay rent. See, nobody will nobody will come to me, and no, I cannot go anywhere. So it is heart of the city, and I'm getting food, warm food, and all facilities are there. And yeah, this is all about what where I am staying. Next is how I am feeling. Today morning I came to know that those COVID patients whom I know who was suffering, so he died. So suddenly I woke up, and I find the whole body was sweating, so little frightened. But next moment I realized, yes, I'm quite okay. My temperature is normal, my breathing is normal. So why I will be afraid of? So I got down from the bed, removed my mosquito net, went, cleaned my face, and sat. I have never practiced yoga before, so I jumped for 10 to 15 minutes so that my lungs will work properly. Taken mm, warm water, and next step is to check my mm, temperature using a mercury thermometer. Next, um, oxy oximeter, I have to measure the oxygen contents. Then prepare my breakfast. Uh, warm uh, warm milk I have taken, and cleaned the house, and started seeing the mm, comments. So I am just replying how after 3 days how I am feeling. Temperature is quite normal, weakness is there, throat is there is no congestion in throat. But one interesting thing, first time, first time in my life that I cannot smell, I cannot taste. The perfume I cannot, that is not, means I cannot feel the fragrance of a perfume. The insects sticks, incense sticks, the smell I cannot smell. While tasting a pickle, I cannot recognize whether it is sweet or what taste I cannot detect. So that's all, and that I'm not feeling any short breathness, but anxiety is there. And medicine I have today also I have not continuing with paracetamol because there is no temperature, and that's all. Please comment what else you want to know from me. No need of getting afraid of corona, because see, in front of you I am sharing everyday life. Yes, smoking must be prohibited. Don't smoke, because one of my friend, he was smoking. He is a man of crore, but he is smoking and he is not recovering speedily. And few people, those who have alcoholic, they also feeling comfortable. So 90%, 80 to 90% patients like me, they are comfortable. And only warm take. Yes, another problem. Yesterday night around 9 o'clock, felt suffocation. So I got afraid, because see, at this time we cannot rush to any hospital, because who will treat us? Everybody is taking care of their life. So then I came to know that this may be because of gas. I have taken gas tablet. Still, I have taken one another gas tablet, and after 10-15 minutes, I got some kind of relief. So keep um, some gas tablet. You may use it when you will be facing some kind of suffocation. And because the short breathness is not only because of lungs infection, that may be because of gas. Don't keep your stomach empty. Take some food which is easily digestible. uh, Maida you just avoid, and roti, chapati, milk, and spices just avoid, and that's all. Be with me. Uh, Thank you, friends. Please subscribe my channel to see my everyday's activities. Thank you. This is the setup where I have made to sit, and at this moment I can show you only this much, and when I will be recovering, then I will show you how I was shooting my videos. Thank you.